Hello friends, my name is Arvinder Singh and today we are going to learn that how we can crack the most confusing type of question which is called list of headings. I know that many students they are getting complaints about list of headings because they do not understand that how they can distinguish between the trap heading and the true heading. So today I am going to crack the list of headings. Isn't it right? You have to be with me. Okay, let me tell you, and IELTS is the property of Cambridge University, and they have set some statistics. According to that, they are making IELTS. So today I am going to teach you that how the Cambridge University makes IELTS. Isn't it right? And today you have to be with me, and so let's have a start. Okay, so let's have a start. We are going to do the most confusing type of question, list of headings. Okay, let me tell you, whenever, first of all, you should be having a portfolio. You should be having a blueprint that how you are going to crack the list of heading. In order to do list of heading, whenever you are having list of heading, it is a very good idea that you should read the rest of the question, because in order to do list of headings we have to read whole passage. So that's why it is a very good idea that whenever you are having list of headings you have to read the rest of the questions as well. Okay, now it is one word only. Okay, now why Oymyakon gets so cold? Oymyakon is a long way from any. Friends, let me tell you, it is the criteria, is the schedule of Cambridge University that they make IELTS on the basis of synonyms. They always use synonyms whenever they have to make an IELTS. Isn't that right? So Oymyakon is a long way from any. Now instead of using long way, they must have used something else instead of saying long way. Now instead of saying long way, they must have used far or away. Isn't that right? So Oymyakon is a long way from any. Okay, okay, dash, which would prevent the temperature from falling low. Okay, the town is located in the. Now they must have used any synonym or rephrasing of located in a. Okay, within plateau is our clue word, surrounded by dash, because there is not much the dash, cold air collects in the town. Okay, so now we have to collect all these things, long way, okay, located, plateau, and all that stuff. We have to keep all this into mind. Okay, because whenever we will come across these kind of words, okay, it will ring a bell that we have read it somewhere. Isn't that right? So by doing so we are going to kill two birds with one stone. Okay, so let's have a start. Okay, so let's have a start. And let me tell you friends, there are always trap headings. Okay, here we are having headings. Okay, headings, and we are having two trap headings. Now what are the trap headings? Trap heading is the heading which looks like that it is a true heading, but that is actually a trap. Now this is how they make IELTS. They always use traps and synonyms in IELTS. Okay, now without any further delay, let's have a start. So you don't need a set name derived Oymyakon from Yaktus. You cross the Lena River and all that stuff. Okay, let me tell you friends, in order to do list of headings you don't need to read whole paragraph. Okay, because if you are reading the whole paragraph you are actually wasting your time. Okay, you are wasting your time, because in order to do IELTS reading we are having only 1 hour. We have to complete our IELTS reading only in a 1 hour. So that's why we are not going to read the whole passage and the whole paragraph, sorry. Okay, and let me tell you, there is always a topic sentence. Okay, which will tell us which heading is an appropriate. Okay, now over here they are just explaining in these explanation, in these kind of explanation, we don't have any answer. Now you don't need to set name die OM icon and from you, so you cross the Lena river and all that stuff. They are just explaining. In these type of explanation we don't have any answer. Okay, it is the tip from Arvinder Singh that in these kind of explanation we don't have any answer. Okay, the journey takes you to okay, all that stuff. Okay, don't read it, okay, very carefully. And I'm saying Siberia and reach the coldest inhabitant on the earth. The beauty surprised me. Siberia isn't known for its pleasant appearance. It's always billed as a place of hardship. Now let me tell you, it is called the topic sentence. Our answer is here. I didn't read the whole paragraph. Okay, I am going to read, I'm just going to read only this sentence, because I know that that my answer is in this sentence. Okay, I should not have to read the whole paragraph, because over here they were just explaining. In these kind of explanation we don't have any kind of answer. Okay, now the beauty surprised me. Siberia isn't known for its pleasant appearance. It's always billed as a place of hardship. Okay, now let's see what is the answer. Okay, various sources of supply. No, so far we didn't read anything like various sources. Okay, the effect of going outside. No. Oemyakon past and present. No. The contrast in the landscape. No. Animal can survive in the cold. No. Now what am I doing? I am using the elimination technique. Now what is elimination technique? You have to eliminate. Okay, you have to eliminate the heading which according to you is not an appropriate one. Now it was not appropriate, so that's why I eliminated it. It wasn't appropriate, so that's why I eliminated it. Okay, now how Oemyakon is affected by its location. No. Keeping out the cold. Not only challenging time for the year, better than its reputation. Yes, yes, why not, why not? Let me tell you why it is answer. Over here they are saying the beauty surprised me, but Siberia isn't known for its pleasant appearance. So it's better than its reputation. Means Siberia is more better than its reputation. What is reputation? Reputation is that the beauty surprised me. Siberia isn't known for its pleasant appearance. It's always billed as a place of hardship. Wow. So this is the answer. From here, now, if I had read all the paragraph, I I would have wasted my lot of time. So that's why it is a very great idea that you should go for only topic sentence. This is called topic sentence. Now it was only the explanation. Don't read all. Okay, we just have to find only topic sentence. Okay, okay, so that's why 28th answer is 19. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now we are going to do next. Okay, as we left the flat plane, the road began to twist and turn, leading us into the untouched hill and leading the work. Okay, mountain beginning the slow and became sleeper. Now they are just explaining. Okay, now you have to understand that where they are saying the important things. Now it is very important wherever that you realize that they are saying something important. If they are not saying anything important, you should not read it. Okay, now as we left the flat plain, the road began to twist and turn. Okay, leading us to the untouched hill and the onwards. Okay, all right, so let's see what is the answer, please. Various sources of supply. No. The fact of going outside. No. Oemyakon past and present. No. They are contrast in landscape. Why not? Why not? Yeah, it's very easy. A contrast in landscape. Why? Let me tell you. As we left the flat plane, mean before the plane is flat. Okay. As we left the flat plane, okay, the road began to twist and turn. What are they saying? Try to understand. They are saying that the plane is flat, and after that it begins to twist, means a contrast in landscape. Okay, now let me tell you, from here from here, this is the topic sentence. Don't read it whole, just read it. Okay, if you are reading this down in the valley, we stopped all that stuff, they are just explaining this topic sentence. Okay, this is the golden tip by Arvinder Singh, that okay, that you cannot find answer in whole paragraph, you just have to pick a topic sentence. Okay, so here 19 what was the answer? Okay, so fourth is the answer, and let me tell you, I found 90th answer. You have to cross this answer as well. Okay, so it doesn't bother us. Okay, and we have found the 14th answer over here, and we have to just cross it. Okay, now let's go to another. Okay, enjoying. Okay, despite the magical ambience of the Siberian, its reputation for hardship hit me every time I climbed out the vehicle. Okay, within less than a minute, the skin all over my face began to feel and the warm burning. It was if I wasn't wearing my sets of gloves, rapidly lost feeling of fingertips. Okay, now from here to here, it was the topic sentence. Okay, now let's see what is the answer. Various sources no effect of, okay, effect of going outside. Let me tell you friends, let me tell you, instead of saying going outside in the passage, in the paragraph they are saying, okay, okay, in the paragraph they are saying I climbed out of the vehicle, I climbed out of the vehicle and going outside, both are the same. And what are the effects are the skin all okay, skin all over face began to feel warm burning. Okay, wearing set of gloves. Okay, lost my fingertips. These are the effects. Okay friends, understanding, this is the schedule of making their IELTS, this is the schedule of Cambridge University, this is how they make IELTS. Now over here they are saying I climbed out of the vehicle, means going outside. Okay, going outside and climbed out of the vehicle, both are same. Okay, this is the topic sentence. And when they are saying effects, when they are saying effects means, okay, face begins uh, face begins burning. Okay, and lost my fingertips, these are effects. Okay, so the answer of 30 is second, so we have to cross second as well. Okay, so far so good, interesting. Okay, so Oymyakon is a quite little town, the world's coldest, okay, of about 550 inhabitants, with its own power station, a school, shops, small hospitals. Okay, when they are saying, okay, Oymyakon is a quite little town, words, okay, world's coldest unit, right, of about 550 inhabitants, with its own power station. It probably originated mean past. Okay, Oymyakon is a quite little town, is means present. So do I need to tell you which is an appropriate answer? Okay, now in the headings they are saying Oymyakon past and present. Now instead of saying past and present, what they are saying, let me tell you, Oymyakon is a little town, mean it is a present. Okay, and when they are saying it probably originated as a seasonal settlement where horrendous spent past, okay, past. So present and past. Oi Maya con past and present. Okay, very easy, very easy. If you are following my techniques, so this is called the the deeper understanding of pilots. Okay, so the third is answer. Okay, and we have to cross third as well. Okay, friends. So far so good. Okay. The temperature when I arrived was 45 degrees Celsius. Not particularly cold. It what informs the number of factor combined always the second temperature. The far from. Okay. Let me tell you far from. Okay. I was telling you that you have to read rest of the question. Oi Maya Con is long way from. Okay, over here they are saying it is far from the ocean. Okay, let me tell you, long way and far from both are same. Long way and far from. Far from. Now let me tell you, long way and far from both are the synonyms. So this is how they make IELTS. They use synonyms. If you can successfully detect the synonyms, then IELTS would be your piece of cake. You can definitely get 9 band in IELTS if you're using my techniques. Okay, Oemayakon is a long way from any. Okay, and it is far from the ocean. Okay, so answer is ocean. See, we were doing list of headings. Okay, then I suddenly came across that I read it somewhere, so that's why it rings a bell that our answer is over here. Okay, now which would prevent the okay or the stuff. The town is located in a. Let me tell you, they must have used the synonym of located. Okay, the town is located in a. Now let's see. Okay, we were over here with its moderating effect of air. In addition, the okay town sits in a valley. Okay, moderating effect on air temperature. In addition, the town sits and located. I told you they must have used the synonym of located. Okay, and our answer is always with our synonym sits and located. Both are synonyms. Sits and located. Let me tell you, friends, if you are successfully detecting the synonyms, then IELTS reading is just a piece of cake for you. Okay, the town is located in a, and in addition, the town sits in a valley. Valley. Okay, so our answer is valley. Okay, next. Within Pluto, surrounded by. Now, it is very easy. Yeah, why are you feeling it so difficult? I think that according to me, IELTS is nothing. Okay, IELTS is very easy. Surrounded by. Now, find the synonym of surrounded. Okay, below the general level of the enclosed. Wow, is enclosed on all sides by mountains. Okay, surrounded by and enclosed all sides by mountains. Yes. Yeah, I'm so excited because enclose and surround, let me tell you, friends, both are same. They always use synonyms. Okay, because there is not much. Okay, they must have used not much. Okay, this synonym of not much. Okay, as the old air sinks, it accumulates in the valley with little wind to disturb it. Okay, little wind. Over here they are saying not much and little, both are same, and answer is wind. Yes, answer is wind. Little. Okay, let me tell you, little and not much both are same, both are same. Okay, so let me tell you, we were doing list of headings and we have done our one word note completion as well. So that's why friends, let me tell you, whenever you are having whenever you are having list of headings, it is a very good idea that you should go for another type of question answer as well. Okay,